Morning custodians, welcome to the class. Today we are going to study our next chapter, that is chapter number 8, human health and disease. So let's start with it. Okay, what is health? Health is the condition of body in which we have a healthy mind, body and spirit, that is freedom from physical disease or any pain. In ancient time, it is considered that state of body and mind with balanced humor. And what are humor? We have four kind of humor. Four humors are the metabolic agent for the four element of the body. One is blood, the second is phlegm, which is water, the other is yellow bile, fire, and the black bile, earth. We have these four humor in our body and these four humor in the surrounding, so it is compared with the humor of the surrounding. Okay, now factor influencing health. There are so many factors which are influencing human health, like genetic disorder which are passed from parent to the young generation, infection, our lifestyle, the food we take, water, exercise, daily habits, these all the factors that influence our health. What are the characteristics of good health? A good health includes all the different aspects of life, that is free from sickness and disease, whether it is physically disease, mental disease, any, free from unnecessary anxiety, that a person should not have any kind of tension, free from social and physiological conditions and tensions, self confidence. Self confidence also is the one major aspect of good health, feeling joy in living, ability to do work efficiently and at best. Now we have disease and its types. First is congenital disease. These are the diseases which are inborn disease and genetically inherited. And the other is acquired disease, which we acquire after birth or non-inherited. Congenital disease includes gene mutation like hemophilia, sickle cell anemia, color blindness, etc. And due to the chromosomal mutation like Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. Acquired disease are the disease which are spread by various pathogens like bacteria, virus, fungi, etc. And also non-communicable disease like due to the deficiency of minerals, vitamins like arthritis, or by UV rays in cancerous, allergic disease, asthmas and all. Common disease in humans, there are various common disease in humans. Any substance which causes disease due to its excess or deficiency is known as disease agents, whereas organisms are there, microorganisms which causes disease, they are known as pathogens, and they too have a mode of transmission and this is known as epidemiology or entry of host and biology terms. So in this chapter we will be dealing with different kind of disease. So first is typhoid. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi, which is a bacteria, and it is caused by the contaminated food and water which enters the small intestine and migrate to other organs through blood. The symptoms of this disease is having fever, stomach pain, constipation, headache, loss of appetite, and it is confirmed by a disease test known as vital test. This is important. Mary Mellon, nicknamed Typhoid Mary, was the first one who carried typhoid, and she was a cook by profession and continued to spread typhoid for several years through food she prepared. So Typhoid was first identified by Mary Mellon. So after this, she was named Typhoid Mary. You can see in this picture, this is the mode of transmission. This is the Salmonella typhi, and such symptoms occur. Another is pneumonia. It is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia, which is a bacteria, through inhalation of droplets or aerosol infected person, or sharing glass or utensil by the infected person. In this, the symptoms which arise are the causing of the infection in the respiratory tract. Alveoli, due to the infection, gets filled with fluid. Several problems in the respiration and symptoms like fever, chills, cough, and in some cases lips and finger may turn grey and blue. Another is common cold. Common cold is really known to us. It is caused by rhinovirus, and we all know its symptoms. And now we have malaria, which is a major disease, and it is seen after the inbreeding of development of mosquitoes after rain. It is caused by Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, Plasmodium falciparum, where falciparum is the major or the most common pathogen for malaria. It is caused by the bite of the female Anopheles mosquito, and the targeted organ is RBC and liver. Symptoms are high fever and chills. Fever occurs on every alternate days with vomiting. This is the life cycle of malaria. As soon as it bites the person, the life cycle of malaria is carried out in two hosts. First is the mosquito host, and the other is human host. Here the female mosquito takes the gametophyte to the blood meal. The female mosquito inject as it comes to take the food blood, sucking blood from the human. It injects a drop of saliva of its, and through this gametophytes are transferred to the humans. Mature infected stage, where the sporozoites in the salivary glands of the malarial host, which is mosquito, is multiplying, and when it bites, it transferred to the human, and here it replicates. This is the whole cycle which goes on. So this is all for today. You can read if you wish to. Thank you.